Welcome back to another Songa Academy lesson. Today, we'll be looking at equipment loan or equipment leasing for your business. Today, we meet Musa, owner of a welding workshop in Gaborone. Musa needs to acquire specialist welding equipment that is required for advanced jobs. Without the specialist equipment, Musa has had to contract out those advanced jobs to another welding workshop in Botswana. Not only does this situation delay the completion for jobs for Musa's customers, it is also an expensive exercise. The equipment that Musa requires for his welding shop would cost him approximately $20,000. And Musa can acquire it in one of two ways: equipment loan or equipment lease. What is the difference? Let's introduce Musa to our friendly Songa Academy banker to explain to him the difference between equipment loan and equipment lease for his business. When taking out a loan to purchase the equipment that Musa requires, Musa would be required to pay a deposit towards the equipment loan. When paying back the loan, he would pay back both the principal amount and the interest. Once Musa has paid off the loan, he would own the full rights to all of the equipment he had purchased. There may be no need to provide security or guarantee towards his equipment loan. When it comes to leasing the equipment he requires, Musa would not be required to pay a deposit towards the equipment. His repayment obligation would be a rental amount towards the equipment lease. At the end of the term of his lease, Musa will not own the equipment he's been paying towards. He will, however, have the option to purchase the equipment at the end of the lease at its residual market value. Musa will not be required to provide security or guarantees to enter into his equipment lease. So, when should Musa go for the leasing option or the loan option? With equipment lease, this may mean that Musa needs to stay current with technology. Leasing is especially useful when the type of equipment you want to acquire has a short shelf life. This could mean that the technology becomes obsolete very quickly. When it comes to equipment loan, this means that Musa needs to keep the equipment for a very long time. Equipment finance is especially useful as it is a cost-effective pathway to ownership, which gives your business another asset that can be used as security for another loan down the line. Thank you again for watching another lesson in the Songa Academy. If you have any questions, write to us at songaacademy@gmail.com. For advanced finance content, please check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like us on our Facebook page. And if you like this video, do like and subscribe.